Hey, how's it going? It's morning. Excuse the motorcycle sounds. It's morning. We were supposed to go to a waterfall that's listed here, and it's in the middle of a barangay, and there's no waterfall. There might be some water running off a roof, but that's about the closest thing to a waterfall, and it didn't rain last night, so I don't know why it's listed, but we're just gonna continue up the coast. Hopefully we'll find another one. I know there's waterfalls, hot springs, all sorts of stuff, so we'll probably try and do something like that. Cool. So the one thing guaranteed in the Philippines is there's pastries everywhere. So check it out, banana bread. We got a couple of these cookies. We're not taking this dog home. We're gonna get some of the cinnamon roll. And then look at all this other fancy. They got all sorts of other little ube, little rolls and treats and stuff. And yeah, it's guaranteed. That's what we're doing. And then we'll probably even whip out a cup of coffee just sitting back here because it's not too busy and I need some coffee to hit the road.
That would be 36 pesos.
Oh, I didn't need more money. Right on. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. All right, well, we're gonna whip out some coffee, eat some pastries, and then hit the road and find a real waterfall. All right. Those are pastries, a cup of coffee. We got the 3-in-1 right there. So we're gonna have a nice cup of coffee and some pastries and eat them while we're hitting the road. I got some banana bread and some little cookie things. That'll be good. Little snack until we can get something to eat later today. Somewhere along the road, we'll find some little canderia. And it's like the Philippine cafeteria, but on the side of the road, like right here. See, look. And they got just all the different little types of food, and you get rice, there's soups, and then you can get everything. They make little fried eggs sometimes in the mornings, but then just a bunch of different vegetable dishes and things like that. So, but we gotta hurry up. We're kind of blocking the road. I wasn't really thinking about it, but it's okay. It's all motos. And our coffee will be done quick, so we'll get hit it. Yo, hey, how's it going? So we're taking a little water break. Wanagi needed a drink. She needed to get out of the damn car. Get her untangled. There she goes. So we saw this big, huge banana orchard, or banana plantation is what I guess I would call it. But check it out. All the bags have more mature bananas in them. But you can see, look at these little stalks of bananas growing here. On every one of these trees, there's at least 1 or 2 stalks of bananas growing. And they go from, I think, kilometers in all directions. So I was gonna fly my drone and kind of check it out, because we didn't get to do that when we were up in the mountains just a day or 2 ago. So I thought I would do it now, because just to see how cool it looks from the air. A huge banana. Oh yeah, there she goes. She's gonna eat some food. No, maybe not. Anyways, that's what we're gonna do. Fly it. it going? We're just hanging out in Matti on the beach. This is actually the surf break area here in Matti. It's just kind of looks like almost like a short bay in here. And actually there's a break. You can see way out on the point over there, there's a break, but it's a reefy, rocky break. But right in here, about where those two people are, out in front of them, it breaks here in another month. They get surf in here in about, would that be about end of August or September? They start getting surf in here and it lasts for about 6 months. And it can break here. He was saying it can get 5 to 10 foot in here. So a really thick wave comes in here. It's pretty steep, angled in, so it's probably kind of a shore break, I'd imagine. I'm sure the sands and the tides shift and stuff, but probably a shore break in here. But you know, you can ride outside and get short rides in here. I don't know, we'll see. We're definitely gonna end up back here. Wanagi's hiding out in the shade. She went swimming already in the ocean. I did too. I needed a bath. It's been about 3 or 4 days. So it was nice, but yeah, we're just kicking. Bought a surfboard, used board, got a good deal on it, and it had some D-lam on one of the rails, and so the guy who helped me find a board, we just walked around a couple different surf camp kind of surf places here, and a local here had a board for sale, and so it'll work for me. It's tri-fin, fixed box fins, fixed fins, but that's okay, and it'll fit in the back of my truck, and we'd be able to ride it here until I get back to Bhutan to find those 2 boards. If they're still for sale in that shop, I'm going to buy them too, because I definitely could gift one to a kid or something, and then having 2 boards wouldn't be a bad thing. I think this board will do, but the other boards were probably a little more my size. They were about 6'2" or something like that, and box removable fins too, so could essentially put them on a plane if I went island hopping or something, which realistically is probably not going to be without Wanagi, so they'll be in my truck. But just a beautiful beach. Look at the water. It's just this emerald blue. It's just amazing. Water temperature's probably high 70s, 80, low 80s, and just beautiful. But it was just nice going for a swim. We're going to hang out. The board's actually got some D-lam on one of the railing, just a pressure kind of D-lam ding thing. And so I have a guy right now we took it to, and he's going to fill that with epoxy. And it should take a couple hours, and then I'll pick it up this afternoon, and then by tomorrow it'll be solid, ready to go. So but that was the only thing really wrong, not too much problem. I mean, it's an older board, but whatever, it's all good. Got it for what, $100, which is any price I'd pay in the US for the same board, probably be about that. So it's perfect. All right, peace out. Hey, how's it going? So everyone said, hey, don't go to Mindinao. Everyone said, Don't go in the jungle alone in Mindinao. Well, we broke both those rules. Hopefully I'm not a fool, but I don't think so. Everyone's been so kind and so nice, and we're in, I guess it would be eastern Mindinao, just past Matti. I actually could have probably drove this road, but I didn't. I probably could have drove it. Oh well. But I didn't want to end up getting stuck down another road, you know what I mean? And so we're walking down this road in the middle of the jungle because there's supposed to be a hot springs out here somewhere. Carabao. And it shouldn't be too far, hopefully.
In
just
200 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
200 meters, we will arrive at our destination. That's what Google says. So just Wanagi and I walking down the river. Oh yeah, I see some structures down there. Yeah, this is gnarly. I wouldn't have been able to get my car down this. This is too gnarly. Too many big rocks in the road. Look at this. It's not a four-wheel drive. It's got a little bit of clearance, but not enough for this. So it's perfect. We're just gonna walk, go soak in the hot springs for like an hour, and then it's probably gonna start raining. So it's probably good we didn't drive down here either, because everything gets so muddy so fast, and it rains like a beast here when it rains. So but we'll just walk down here. Shouldn't be too much farther, and hit the hot springs. So I'll open this back up and show you when we get down there. Peace. Hopefully we're alive at the end. By the time this video gets posted, that means we survived, which is good. Hey, how's it going? So we're down by the river here. You can see the road just kind of ends. It looks like there was a major blowout here at some point, washout. Probably, you know, maybe I thought that was the road to the hot springs. We're going to kind of hook around here. You can walk across the river here to the other side, and it's, from what I saw on the videos, it looked like the hot springs was right next to the road, kind of. On one side of the river, you had the cold water of the river, and then you had the hot springs on the other side. And there were some bikes parked down here, but no one around. There's some people across the river down there, but the river's so muddy I can't see. Come here. No, absolutely not. Come here. I can't see how deep it is, and I'm not going to risk it because I'm by myself, and that wouldn't be very, very bright. It's probably stupid enough I'm down here by myself. No, come on, let's go. But yeah. Oh, there's a bridge right there. Okay, I'm betting it's over here. Hey, come here. So maybe it's over here. There seems to be a suspension bridge, and I'm guessing that's what it is, but they're gonna put in a bridge here. Looks like they might have. Oh, is that hot springs? Come here, let's go try. We'll go try over here. I bet that's what that is. There's a spring coming out. Might be hot water. There might have been baths in here at one point and they just got washed out. But I guess we're gonna find out. Hey, get over here. Pay attention. So, we are in the boonies. Trust me, we are in the boonies. Yeah, this might be hot springs actually. I mean, I can't tell. I guess I'll get in the water and find out, huh? That'd be hot springs right there, bud. Hey, come here. Oh, watch me. Come here. Come here. Come here. So we'll put come here, buddy. Come on. We'll put us down. We'll just take a shower and then maybe we'll split. Because obviously we might have rain coming anyways. And hey, come here. So we'll jump in here. It's just like basically a shower right there is what it is. So, can you see us? We're gonna go jump in. It's not anything special. Come on, come here. So, this is nice. This is actually pretty warm. Oh yeah, that feels good. Massaging. Yeah! Hot springs in Mindinao, our first real hot springs in the Philippines. And it's not boiling hot. It's warm enough. And I bet there's a pool up there somewhere. There's got to be pools or something, but nice little massaging. Got a little massaging going. It just is a pipe that runs all along the bank there. So the source must be up there somewhere. But yeah, it looks pretty good. This is worth coming. I thought there was going to be a big, bathtub, but like I said, it looks like this whole area here, through here, got just washed out by the river. Hey, stay here. Come on, buddy. Anyways, we're going to enjoy this for a little bit. Take a little bath, let it massage our backs. That's just beating on my back. It feels so good. And it's not hot. It's probably, maybe it's 100 degrees is all. But we're going to hit another one this evening, I think, more towards Cateel. And either tonight or tomorrow. But I just wanted to come check something else out today. So that's what we're going to do. Peace out. Why does it seem like every time you go do something fun, it's always at the bottom of a hill? And you always got to go up the hill to get back out. I am out of shape, let me tell you, folks. It's time to get in shape, and walking up the hill like this, well, that'll help me. So yes, I complain, but it's good for me. Wanagi, come on. There was some critter down there she chased in the brush. I saw it. It was like brown, looked about size of a large otter or beaver. I don't know what it was, but we're not messing around with wild animals. So say get. Anyways, all right, we're almost back to the truck.